Hey dear subscriber and any other watch this video. So I'm gonna show you a useful tool for YouTuber and all of people with electronic activity. This is circuit or board or part holder that I make with 3D printer for filming YouTube videos. I always use SolidWorks to design my 3D parts, so thanks SolidWorks. You should make it, use it and enjoy it. Then I do assemble some regular parts as a screw and nuts, and of course heavy base that I made from steel. And these three parts from my 3D printer. Oh, good, simple and useful. So make it and enjoy these tools and my channel. Thank you for subscribing my channel.